browser, bulk and block deals today, right? You will get many websites. You can select the one you want to. I mean, I love Money Control. I find Money Control pretty good, or I like, like this is also pretty, I find it good. Or you can go to the nscindia.com, or you can go to bscindia.com, and you will be able to find that. Now, this is you get to see here the intraday large deals, and when do they all become to, trade from 9:15 onwards, right? Can you see? This is the quantity, so much quantity, and whether it's a large deal, price, value in crores, and then time, right? Look at here, PNB Housing Finance. How many shares have been traded? 40 lakh shares have been traded. What is the price? Price of each share is 1283, 1283 rupees, and the value in crores is 518 crores, right? It's a big deal happen. You want to see what happened at that time? Let me take you to PNB, and we'll be able to see from there. So I'm going to delete one or two of them so that we can add PNB Housing Finance. I know it's a sell deal but still I want to show you PNB Housing Finance here. So see here, look at today. This is how it happened, right? It opened massively gap down, right? So the deal has actually was a sell deal. You can see this is actually Zerodha is a very troublesome broker nowadays. So this is 30 minutes graph. This is 15 minutes graph. So you can see, such a massive sell has taken place the moment market opened. I'm sure buyers and sellers were all exactly ready, and the moment market opened, there was a 518 crore deal took place, and you can see how this particular stock has gone down, right? So this is a place where you see block and the bulk deal. Okay. I don't know why Zerodha is taking time, but I just showed it to you. Let's go further down and see so my interest remains in this column, which is the value in crores. My interest remains in this particular column, where I get to see how many crores are being sold or bought back, right? So let's go further down and see what's happening. If I could find something. So PC Jeweler, if you see today, there have been a lot of deals happening in PC Jeweler, right? So this is a forum where this is a place where you can find out, big deals happening. These are large intraday deals. It happens the entire day, right? These deals are unusual, not I would look at Exide Industries. It had a 35 crore deal, right? You look into Bharti Infratel, it again had a huge deal. Okay, Maruti Suzuki had a deal, right? But it doesn't matter, it's a huge stock. Bharti Infratel really had a lot of deals today. Then you can go to the BSE and bseindia.com as well. So this is what you need to do. You can even find out the past, let's say from 1st May onwards. We want to see what's happening till today and find out block and the bulk deal, right? So see here, you get to see what are the block and the bulk deal, right? What is whether it is being sold or it's being purchased, what is happening, that you get to see here. Now what you have to do, you don't need to worry about people, the high net worth people, except Rakesh Jhunjhunwala or Vijay Kedia or one or two more known investors. You don't need to look into individual investors. You need to see basically, the mutual fund, right? Mutual funds is what you need to figure out. So if you see here, there is none of them is basically from a mutual fund, right? I can't see any. Let's go. None of them is basically institutional buyer. None of them is basically, let's go. None of them is basically institutional buyer. Let's see from here, 23rd of April onwards, if I could find some more. Why am I not getting more? Period 23rd to only 7th of May had huge deals. Okay, so now let's go to the block deal. These are bulk deals, and let's see what's happening in the block deals. Time frame is, let me take it up from May 1st to 8th, and let me submit it. No data available, right? So there is no block deal that has happened. So you can find out from various places. As I told you, just type it in the Google's browser. This is BSE. Actually, if you go to NSE, you will get much better data, because usually NSE has a lot of dealings happening, whereas the BSE has lesser number of deals, right? So I would prefer to go to nscindia.com. That'll give me many more clearer trades, right? Block and bulk deals, NSE India on NSE. So nscindia.com, you can see the first one itself is nscindia.com, and you can go for the past 5 days or maybe 7 days, get data. You can see all of it. See, starting from 2nd May, you have all the bulk deals, right? And now you can see the total price, you can see the quantity traded, bought or sold. But what are we interested in? We're only interested in institutional buying, right? We are only interested in institutional buying, right? So if we get the institutional buying, fine. Otherwise, we are not interested in any of it, right? But one thing that you can make out from here, by looking at it, that so many people are buying and so many people are selling. PC Jeweler means market is more interested in PC Jeweler, quality, and Just Dial, Jet Airways. This is where the focus is. And I also would look for something which is unusual name, right? So this is Bartronics. Bartronics is an unusual name. So you have to look for if there is a mutual fund which has bought in it, right? You will look for a mutual fund. So I can't see a mutual fund still over here. Any of the mutual fund I can't see. But if we get to see a mutual fund, we can see how the stock has given a movement. Let me take up some instead of bulk, let me take block deals. So Ajmera Reality, right? So this is nothing. Let's see. Let's go to some bigger number of days, 2 weeks. So here again, there is no institutional buying. I can't see any institutional buying. Let me take it 3 months. Now see here, KKR Mauritius PE Investment Limited. This is an FII, right? What has it done? Coffee Day Enterprise, it has exited its share, right? Who has bought it back? Who has bought it? Malvika Hegde. So forget about it, right? And it's an institutional selling, right? We are looking for institutional buying. Okay, so out of these, I don't see any of them is institutional buying. But I'll tell you another way when I'm going to be teaching you the app, Stockage app. You'll be able to see more clearly where is the institutional buying and selling taking place, right? So institutional buying matters a lot. It gives you a more clear idea, which direction they are going to be, the market is going to be heading from there, right? So see here, GMO Completion Fund Master Portfolio. No, this is again not a FIIDI. It must be a portfolio by some private equity. Like there's an equity portfolio here. GMO Emerging Domestic Opportunities Fund. Like Stitching Depository, APJ, Emerging Market Equity Pool. There's again a big buyer, right? See, huge quantity they've bought, but they are not FII or D. They may not be qualified FIIDI. They must be, the uh, they must be, they must not be big buyers or sellers of mutual funds, but they are qualified uh, uh, institutional investors. Okay. So my interest particularly remains into whenever there is a mutual fund is interested in a particular stock, then I get interested in that stock. But I don't immediately click, create my position in them. I wait for, the right opportunity. I'll teach you how. So what I want to tell you from here, see here, this is Morgan Stanley IDFC Limited. They have sold. Morgan Stanley Mauritius Company Limited, they have sold, right? What have they sold? IDFC shares they have sold. And this is 7th of November. We'll just see what happened once they sold it. Who bought it? I don't think so. That should be much of concern. But who sold it is a big concern for us, right? But exactly these two parties have interchanged the shares, so I don't see that should be a big problem, right? Dish TV. So this is a deal happening between Morgan Stanley and Dovetail. They're exchanging the stocks, right? So usually what happens, when the institutional buying and selling happens between the two institutions, then it doesn't based on bulk and the block, right? Here, 18th of May, it based on the same concept. I gave you Kotak Mahindra Bank based on the same concept because I saw huge FII my stock on 23rd of 6. It's just almost like 1 year ago. So if you see here, 10 months, stock pro 97. If you somewhere here, 11 months, all cargo, somewhere here only I have given 1 year ago. So I'm sure Jufic Bio must be somewhere here only. I gave Jufic Bio. Jufic Bio gave it long back when Scient was about 4. See somewhere I'm sure. What I'm trying to tell you, and the G here, second, this is 23rd, this is T3. It's more than the block deals, right? So you should be aware. And now I have, see here, this is City Union Bank. And which date is this? City Union Bank, the date is 12th of April, right? Let's see what was the price on 12th of April. See here, CUB. The price was here, somewhere here. This was the price. Here, it was 135. It was 135, 135, 136, and from there it has reached today 194, right? So 60 points, 50% return in 1 year. I believe it's a phenomenal return. No mutual fund will give you this kind of a return. And this was based on have any other filter. I just knew, these bulk and the block deals I used to track and wait for it to come to a support. And when it used to come to a support, like here also, when I waited for the stock to come to a support, CUB, when it took a support on the moving average, then I created position in it. Similarly, I told you Jufic Bio. I created position in Jufic Bio on 24th of May, right? Based on a similar concept, right? Based on the similar concept, which I just explained you. Okay. So where is it? September. So this was 23rd here. This is the trade, right? Do not get carried away by such a long candle. You have to wait for it to cool down. I can show you this on another stock called BF Utilities. I can show you this on BF Utilities. This is a stock which has had many such, data, many such opportunities. BF Utilities. Now see here, trade was coming up. I waited for it to cool down, take a support, then I entered and I enjoyed this run. Similarly, when this happened, I waited for it to cool down and again enjoyed this run up. Similarly, when this happened, it cooled down, but it could not go up and it fell and fell and fell, right? So you have to be, you have to understand one thing. Whenever a big momentum comes, there will be a cooling off period after that. Why is it so? Because the company stocks are limited, right? If there's each company has, let's say there's a company which has 2,000 stocks. So if somebody buys so many stocks, give you another breakout. Okay, so every time you enter into a stock, you have to remember that you have to, if good opportunity to go up. I can tell you one more stock which showed me a kind of momentum here. Even Philips Carbon is that kind of a stock. Even Philips Carbon is that kind of a stock. So this is ICICI Bank, right? ICICI Bank, that the stock has a good opportunity to go up. I can tell you one more stock which showed me a kind of momentum here. Even Philips Carbon is that kind of a stock. Even Philips Carbon is that kind of a stock. So this is ICICI Bank, right? ICICI Bank had a good, institutional buying in it. ICICI Bank had a good institution. After that, institutional buying coming in it. Venky's also. I have some I'll teach you in the stock. Please wait for it to cool down, right? Once the stock has cooled down, then only you create your, because you are an opportunity, but good activity. We're going to go on to the next concept, which is FII and DII.